Here we go. This is Steve from Steve's Tours. And just talking to Special Jimmy here after the big loss. So tell us what happened, Jimmy. How did it happen? What was the final shot there to give the game of the potty?
The final shot was garbage.
Garbage? What was the controversy there? What happened? So the washer landed about 4 feet away from the pot.
Never made the foul line.
Never made the foul line. Ricocheted,
or the hog line.
Ricocheted off the root and flipped in the air and landed in the middle of the potty for the win.
Yeah.
And you're out of the tournament.
Out of the tournament.
But did you shake hands after the game?
Yeah.
No, you shook hands with your teammate, I saw. Special Jimmy needs to learn how to play like a true teammate. Shake hands. This is the championship game over here now. As Jimmy just lost his way. He lost in the semifinals. There's Jeb down there. Hi, Jeb. Justin, Davey. There's Dougie playing some tunes.
Tune a guitar, get the fucking camera to my feet.
Okay.
Do some stuff here.
Here's Polly. Of course, Garrett. Scotty the body. Scotty.
Oh, fuck. Oh!
There's some profanity from the Dave.
That's it. Oh, yeah.
Nice shot. Alright, we'll let you go. Potty champion. Go to potty champion.